Hey everyone, this is the Next Archer, and this is a package from Kai USA, or Kai Cutlery, also known as Kershaw, is one of its sub-companies. So let's open it up. So this was from their warranty repair. I sent them a couple of knives, 3 of the exact one actually, and they have them back. I'm loving this Victorinox, don't remember the name of it. It has a chisel grind blade, serrations at the top. Great knife. Okay. I'm going to read what it says on here. Okay. Yeah. That was actually the paper I sent them. And let's see, how am I supposed to open this? There it is. Okay, the problem that these had was that the locks did not work. Some were broken, some of the blade was too short. Let's see. There we go. Very nice. Let's see if we can get these other ones. I don't know how. The big pieces of tape around them. There we go. Might as well open this at the same time. Okay. And unlock this one. Very nice. Looks like they put all new blades on them. Made it so the locks work. They're freezing cold because they've been outside. It actually hurts to hold them. They're so cold. But very nice. If you guys saw the my loot video when I bought these, they were not very, or they were in horrible condition. And now they are very nice. See you guys later. Have a great day.